Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word of the day is chat. It's an A2 level noun, and it means a casual conversation. So, what exactly does chat mean? Well, it refers to an informal talk, usually about unimportant matters. It's the kind of easygoing conversation you might have with a friend over coffee or while waiting in line. Think of it as a lighthearted way to connect with others through language. Now, let's dive into some synonyms for chat. One synonym is gossip. For example, they were gossiping about the latest office news during their lunch break. Another synonym is talk. You could say, "We had a good talk about our plans for the weekend." A third option is converse. We can use it like this. The diplomats were conversing politely, but it was clear that they disagreed. Another synonym that works in many contexts is discuss. For instance, let's discuss the details of the project over lunch. Finally, another useful synonym is jabber. You can say, the children were jabbering excitedly about their field trip. Now, let's look at antonyms, words with the opposite meaning. One antonym for chat is lecture. Instead of a casual conversation, a lecture is a formal presentation. For example, the professor delivered a fascinating lecture on ancient history. Another antonym is speech, which is similar to a lecture, but can be more persuasive. Example, the president gave a rousing speech to the nation. A further antonym is silence. Unlike a chat, silence involves no speaking at all. For instance, a heavy silence fell over the room after the bad news. Another word with an opposite meaning to chat is address, particularly in a formal context. Example, she gave an address to the graduating class. Finally, monologue represents extended speaking by one person, quite different from the back and forth of a chat. Example, the play opened with a lengthy monologue. How can we use chat in everyday life? Well, you might say, let's have a chat later about your performance review. Or, I had a nice chat with my neighbor this morning. You could also use it in the phrase a quick chat, meaning a short conversation. For example, I just need to have a quick chat with you about this report. It's also common to say something like we were just having a chat to indicate you were simply engaging in friendly conversation. Here are some more usage examples. They enjoyed a pleasant chat over coffee. The friends had a long chat about their families. He started a chat with the woman next to him on the train. Let's have a chat about your concerns. The online chat forum was full of interesting discussions. The meeting began with a casual chat among the attendees. I overheard a chat between the two colleagues. The app allows you to chat with friends and family. She's always up for a friendly chat. Don't be afraid to start a chat with someone new. I need to find a chat room where I can practice English. We had a great chat last night. He joined a chat group for language learners. I'm always happy to have a chat with you. The employees had a quick chat before the meeting started. I love having a chat with my grandma. We had a long chat about our future plans. The team had a chat to discuss the project's progress. So, to recap, chat is an A2 level noun that means a casual conversation. Some synonyms include gossip, talk, converse, discuss, and jabber, while antonyms include lecture, speech, silence, address, and monologue. You can use chat in everyday conversations to describe lighthearted and informal interactions. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this episode helpful. If you enjoyed this podcast, please subscribe and leave a review. Your support helps others discover our show. And now, for your homework. I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word chat and share it in the comments below. I can't wait to see what you come up with. See you next time on Hello Word.